All right, round 6 with the old FRS-JZ swap. I'm still working on quite a bit of the wiring. I want to redo this so that I can put in a bus bar to connect them, and then I'll run that one over to the starter. So I'm just gonna time lapse a little bit of working on more wiring. I'm sure it's boring to watch, but it's where I'm at right now, so that's what I got. After that, I gotta do some fuel lines. I don't have any of this stuff for that. I gotta extend some more of these wires. Then I'll have to figure out what's next. Okay, so I got the power cable ran through the firewall here, and then now I've got to hook it to these two, and then that'll be everything for the power. I'm gonna run it kind of through here, and then I'm gonna put it underneath here with a couple of guards to keep it from rubbing or arcing, shorting out. So I'm gonna work on that. Then I'm gonna run it back to the back where I ran the ground also for the battery, and then I'm gonna work on that right now, so here we go. Well, I didn't videotape any of that, but I got this ran through. Got my cable protected from shorting. I hooked that one up. Now I gotta figure out what to do next. Probably fuel lines, maybe. Okay, so I got my power bus bar in here. I'm gonna run to the alternator, to the starter, and then to the fuse box. So I got all my powers ran for the engine bay stuff. I gotta extend the starter wire a little bit to hook it up. So now I'm gonna put the engine in and start fitting up fuel lines and checking clearances, and hopefully this will be the last time I gotta put it in and out. So getting closer. This thing, on the other hand, we got a little pin in here and everything, a little scoop up.
Stylus, baby.
No stylus?
No stylus.
Okay, so I finally got all these wires extended. It took way too long, but I got it done. So they're all extended. They're all wrapped, tied up good, so hopefully we can still have turn signals and lights and everything like that, so just to keep it straight. So all that's done. I gotta do battery wire to that bus bar, and then I can stuff it back in and work on fuel lines. I'm on like day 3 of this wiring thing, so that's why I haven't put a video out, because it's just boring to watch. All right. That was harder than it should have been, but I got the engine back in. I gotta adjust a few things, tighten the mounts, kind of check everything out. But for now, I'm gonna go inside the car and I'm gonna put the new fuel basket in so I can run some fuel lines to it. So I'm gonna put this in instead of that. I'm not gonna film that. I'm just gonna skip. I'll show you the end product. Or wait, I'm gonna try the YouTube thing. Hold on. Here we go. So I got that put in there. I gotta run the fuel line still, which I keep saying that, but I'm actually gonna do it one of these days. I keep saying I'm gonna run the fuel lines, but I'm actually gonna do it. So maybe I'm gonna do that right now. Maybe not. Let's find out. All right. Well, I don't have the right fuel fittings or fuel line again. I gotta get some more stuff. So I'm probably gonna go ahead and call it a night. It's a school night. Gotta work in the morning. But I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video up and start another one next time so we can be done with this wiring saga. As always, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, just interact with the page a little bit. Let me know what's going on. I appreciate you guys tuning in, and hopefully I can finally drive this thing pretty soon, or at least do something better than just tinker with it. We're getting there.